Okay, boys and girls, today our lesson is with math. Our learning objective for today is I can interpret two-digit numbers as tens and ones, including cases with more than 9 ones. Okay, I can interpret two-digit numbers means I have a number with the 10 and tens and I have a number with ones, including cases with more than 9 ones. So we're going to look at some cases where we'll have numbers that are going to have more than 9 ones. Okay, first today we're going to start with our fluency. We're going to count by 10 with dimes. Okay, my first one, we have our dimes right here, and we're going to count. We're counting by tens. Come on, boys and girls, let's count. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. How many dimes do we have, boys and girls? Correct, we have 50. Let's see what we have next. We have, let's count, 10, 20, 30. How many do we have, boys and girls? We have 30. Next, let's count, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 80. Boys and girls, how many tens do we have right here? 80. Next, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. How many do we have, boys and girls? 60. Correct. Okay, now what we're going to do now, we're going to do what we have tens and ones. Let's look at this. If I have, let me get my board. I'm going to show you a number, and you're going to tell me how many tens and how many ones. Okay, our number is what, boys and girls? Okay, our number is 16. How many tens do we have in 16, boys and girls? Very good. We have 1 10 in 16. And how many ones do we have, boys and girls? We have 6. So if I have 1 10 plus 6 tens, boys and girls, what is my number? It is 16. Okay, now, boys and girls, our next number is 27. Boys and girls, if my number is 27, how many tens do I have? Correct, I have 2 tens. How many ones do I have, boys and girls? We have 7 ones. Now, boys and girls, if I have 2 tens and 7 ones, what is my number? Correct, my number is 27. Let's do one more, boys and girls. My number is 36. Boys and girls, if my number is 36, how many tens do I have? I have 3 tens, correct. How many ones do I have, boys and girls? We have 6 ones. Boys and girls, if I have 3 tens plus 6 ones, what is my number? My number is 36. Very good. Now, let's go to our application problem. Okay, here's our application problem. Our application problem says, Kim picks up 10 loose pencils and puts them in a cup. Ben has 1 package of 10 pencils that he adds to the cup. How many pencils are in the cup? Okay. Kim picks up 10 loose pencils. Here are my loose pencils. She puts them in a cup. Ben has 1 package of 10 pencils that he adds to the cup. It says how many pencils are in the cup. So we have 10 pencils and we have 10 more pencils. Kim has 10 and Ben has 10. Kim's are loose, Ben's are in a package. So let's look at what we can do. Okay? It says use the RDW process to solve the problem. Who remembers what RDW stands for? What do we say for read? For the R is read. Then we have the D for draw. And then we have the W for write. Boys and girls, we're going to read something. Then we're going to draw something. Then we're going to write a number sentence and a statement. Okay? We're going to draw. We're going to read again. Kim picks up 10 loose pencils and puts them in a cup. How many loose pencils did Kim have? 10. Very good. Ben has one package of 10 pencils that he adds to the cup. How many pencils did Ben have in his package, boys and girls? 10, correct. How many pencils are in the cup? So we're going to draw Kim 10 loose pencils, and then we're going to draw Ben's pack of pencils. So did we draw something, boys and girls? Yes. Now, so we have Kim's 10 plus Ben's 10. It equals what? Do we know at first what it is? No. So then we count what we have. Let's count, boys and girls. If I have 10 in a package, I'm going to count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So boys and girls, how many pencils does Ben and Kim have all together? 10 plus 10 equals how many, boys and girls? 20. We put 20 in a square because that's our unknown, okay? Now, did we read something? Yes. Did we draw something? Yes. Did we write? We wrote our number sentence, but now we have to write a statement. So the question is, how many pencils are in the cup? And we have down here, there are 20 pencils in the cup. Boys and girls, there are how many pencils in the cup? 20, correct. Very good. Now it's time for our concept development. I'm going to show you 3 10s with my Unifix cubes. I have Unifix cubes, boys and girls. And I'm going to show you 3 10s. Boys and girls, I have 3 10s. 10, 20, 30. But how many 10s do I have, boys and girls? 3. Very good. How many loose ones do you see, boys and girls? 0. So, boys and girls, if I have 3 10s with 0 ones, what is my number? 30. Very good. So, if we put this on our place value chart, we have how many 10s, boys and girls? 3 10s and how many ones? 0. So if we count, boys and girls, we have 10, 20, 30. So what is our number, boys and girls? Our number is 30. Very good. Okay. Now, boys and girls, tell me this. If I take my cubes apart, if I take these cubes apart, one by one, do I still have 30? Will I still have 30 cubes if I take these apart one by one? Yes. Explain how you know to someone at home, boys and girls. Explain how you know that you will still have 30. Boys and girls, let's just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So, boys and girls, if I broke them apart, would I still have 30? Yes, but it would be 31s. So, let's go back to our lesson objective. Our lesson objective says we're going to interpret 2-digit numbers as 10s and 1s, including cases with more than 9 10s. If we break our 30 up, do we have more than 9 1s? Yes, we do. Okay, now what we're going to do, can you tell me another way to make 30? Let's go over to our paper. We've shown you, we did 30 with 3 10s, boys and girls. We did 30 with the 1s, 31s. Can you tell me, boys and girls, another way that I can make 10? I hear somebody say 2 10s. How many 1s do I need to go with this? Boys and girls, is that 30?
Sure. So
Let's count, boys and girls. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So that's another way we can make 30, boys and girls. Okay? Is there another way we can make 30?
social distancing, so 6 feet.
Let's try with 110. So if we make 110, we're going to have to make a lot of ones.
Have to wear masks at all times. No more curbside delivery, although they can still do that too. But this
Let's count, boys and girls. We have 10,
retail places
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's another way that we can make 30. Let's go back to our lesson objective. I can interpret two-digit numbers. Is 30 a two-digit number? We have 3 10s and 0 1s, so 30 is a two-digit number. It's 10s and 1s, including cases with more than 9 ones. Do we have more than 9 ones? Yes, we do. Let's do another one. Okay, boys and girls, let's look at this. If I have
Oh, that's absolutely right. This is
110
which a business can open. It is not
and 15 ones,
for which anyone's going to decide if they're ready to go out.
who can tell me what that number is?
Go out in public and
Think about it, boys and girls. I have 110 and I have 15 ones.
this is,
I heard someone say that it was 25. Let's see.
but
10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So, boys and girls, what is the number?
the number of cases in
25. Very good.
each of the
Let's do another one.
days, then
This time we're going to do 2 10s
be met. If those things aren't being met,
and 16 ones.
we're going to continue with the stay-at-home order as it currently exists.
All right, great. Thank you so much for talking with us today. You can find the story.
Who knows how many this is right here? We have 2 10s and 16 ones.
You know, you can
I heard somebody say it was 36. Let's count.
see the website that shows you who's open for business.
10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So how many do we have, boys and girls? We have 36. Very good. Now, this last time, this is what I'm going to do. I have 3 10s and I have 12 ones.
And right back that quickly, talking about St. Jude.
Who can tell me how many this is, boys and girls?
And to reserve your ticket now.
Somebody said it's 32.
In your car.
Let's count and see if we're right.
To win your choice of a
10, 20, 30,
or new
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So our number is what, boys and girls? Our number is 42. 42.
So we advise you to act.
Okay? So we did 25 is 110 and 15 ones. We did 36 as 2 10s and 16 ones. And we did 42 as 3 10s and 12 ones. Okay, let's go back to our lesson objective. I can interpret two-digit numbers as 10s and 1s, including cases with more than 9 ones. Did we interpret two-digit numbers with 10s and 1s, including cases with more than 9 ones? Did we have more than 9 ones on these? Yes, we did. So this concludes our lesson for today, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Bye, boys and girls.